Already we discussed how to generate a logo by using Nano Banana. Let's go deep dive into logo generation with Nano Banana. See here, I attached a reference logo and then I'm giving a prompt something like this. Create a logo for a fashion jewelry brand by the name of Gautami Jewelers. This is a premium gold ornaments brand for women for all ages who want quality but premium ornaments. The logo brand colors are yellow, maroon red, and black. Use a suitable text, font, and symbol. You can take inspiration from the example logo provided to you for the overall ambience of the logo. Make sure the logo symbol and design signifies the brand name and meaning. Use a black background. For this prompt, it is generated a logo, but which I don't like that logo. Let's see the logo generated by Nano Banana. So this is the logo generated by Nano Banana, but I don't like this logo. So same thing I asked to Nano Banana. I don't like it. Generate with great looks and unique, attractive, catchy brand logo. So even now it is generated a logo something like this. But here the text format, font, color is good, but I don't like this icon. So again, I attached a reference logo and given a text something like this. Text is okay. Change top icon using attached image as reference. Now it's generated a perfect logo, something like this, which I wanted. So with a clear icon and clear text. Now I want to change a minute things. Like I don't like the color jewelers. So just I asked to change the color of jewelers, but it's applied to the whole text. Just I asked to change jewelers text to silver and whole text, make it a brighter effective. But it's changed whole text into a silver color. Again, I asked to keep it the previous color as per Gautami text. So keep Jeweler's text as it is and change Gautami text to yellow and gold. So finally it's generated the logo what I want. So this is the way which I used to generate a branding logo with perfect requirements. Again, I asked now change logo to little bit right side camera angle with a 3D look. So finally, it's generated even with a 3D look. See, it is generated a 3D look logo, but here it's failed to generate a angle. And then I asked to make 30% right side camera angle to the generated logo. Finally, it's generated a 3D right side angle logo. This is the final version which I generated by using Nano Banana.